This is a final video to fix Warhammer 40,000. Space Marine 2 black screen crashing. And if your game closes or shows a black screen on launch, this video will solve it. Are you facing a problem where Space Marine 2 won't start or crashes immediately to a black screen, no matter how many times you restart or reinstall? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicting system settings that block proper rendering. Most solutions online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow and often fail. That is why Rexus is sharing a secret easy trick that instantly stops black screen crashes and lets you launch Space Marine 2 smoothly. This simple method works fast, safely, and ensures your game runs without interruptions. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to fix it, comment below and tell Rexus, and you can finally play Warhammer 40,000. Space Marine 2 without black screen crashes.